everybody, this is Robbie. He is going to be the new owner of a 55 Chevy. Say hi, Robbie.
How you doing?
And this is Carl. He's going to be helping with the restoration. So the car will be pulling up any minute now. We're very excited, can't wait. You excited, Robbie?
Yeah, I'm looking forward to it.
Okay.
Buying the car from somebody I used to know 30 years ago, Bill. He has his nephew going up to upstate New York to pick up the car to bring it back. So we're just waiting for him right now. But the funny story is that I drove the car up there, or towed it up there 30 years ago for Bill because he wanted to restore it up in New York. Now we're bringing it back 30 years later. So.
Did he ever restore it?
No, he never restored it. It stayed in a barn, and now it's on its way back here. So that's good.
There it is. There it is.
Brake work. Alright, good. Alright, now you gotta turn it. Where'd you go? It's yours. Alright. Keep it going.
Actually, we're gonna push down the driveway, aren't we?
Yeah, I know, but let's just stop right here.
Oh, stop right here.
Good. Stop right here. You got it in here? $1,000 bucks, but it would be like.
Yeah, but how if you just did it like that with the LS engine still? Yeah.
I know you want to do the modern stuff and the leather and buckets and all that, but
you keep it this way then.
you got time. Store this stuff in the attic.
All right, Carl, what you got?
All right, so we're going through.
Nice. Good. Blooper. Blooper reel.
Start it over again. All right, so we're going through the car and we're looking at all the different things that have already been done to it, trying to figure out what this motor goes to. So we're going to end up checking the serial numbers on the back of the motor. We don't believe it's been started since what? Yeah, maybe 10 years ago. 10 years ago. So we'll probably try to get it started, see how it runs, and see what we can do with that. We'll figure out if it's a 305, if it's a 350, if it's a 327. We don't know at this point. But it looks like it's in good shape. The braking was all redone, but it was done with drum brakes, so we're going to modify that. We're going to put power disc brakes on the car, and he's planning on putting drop spindles. That'll be probably one of the first things to do to get the car functional, get it running, and just go through it and see how mechanically sound it is and go from there.